Now, utilisez les verbes. So we are going to use the verbs aller, continuer, traverser, visiter, tourner and arriver. So these are the verbs we are going to use to fill in these blanks. So first, vous dash la place de l'hôtel de ville. So the first one is you cross the place. So to cross is traverser. Traverser. Vous traversez la place de l'hôtel de ville. Vous dash jusqu'à feu. So vous allez. So if you notice, vous, we forgot to conjugate. So traverser, it is an ER verb, so we conjugate it. Vous allez jusqu'à feu. The next sentence, a few, vous dash à gauche. So to the left. So the verb will be tourner, to turn. Tourner à gauche. Tourner. The next sentence. So again here I forgot. Do not forget to conjugate. Tourner. Vous dash tout droit. So you know the expression tout droit. It is straight ahead. So you will continue. Vous continuez. So most of it are ER verbs here. So we conjugate it for vous. It ends with EZ. Au deuxième fois, vous dash à droite. So you know the expression à droite. It is to the right. So tournez. Vous tournez à droite et vous dash au parking du monastère. So and you dash at the parking. So you are at the parking. So you arrive. Arrive. Again it is an ER verb. Vous arrivez au parking du monastère. So you used these verbs. 6 verbs they have given us. You know the meaning of all these verbs. So we read the sentence, understand the meaning and we fill in the correct verb. Vous traversez. You cross la place de l'hôtel de ville. Vous allez jusqu'à feu. You go. A few. Vous tournez à gauche. You turn left. Vous continuez tout droit. You continue straight ahead. Au deuxième feu, vous tournez à droite. You turn to the right. Et vous arrivez and you arrive au parking du monastère. In the parking of the monument or monastère wherever you want to reach. So these are instructions. So if you see this, these are the sentences you will be using if someone asks you for directions. So this is how you give them the directions. You would say you go straight or you take left. You cross this. You have to give some important landmarks in between. So it will be easy for them. You cross this place. You take the second right. So similar expressions. So now you know how to do this in French.